Ocean and continents. Look at the picture of the Earth seen from the moon. What is the most widespread color you see? Blue, obviously, but what does it represent? You must have guessed the answer, it is water. This means that most of the Earth's surface is actually covered with water, almost 3/4 of the surface, in fact. That is why, when seen from outer space, the Earth appears mostly blue. Indeed, early astronauts lovingly called the Earth the blue planet. The largest water bodies we see on the globe are called oceans. But in the picture of the Earth, you can see at least one other color, brown. This color is that of land, which covers a little over 1/4 of the globe. A large body of land is called a landmass, and a large continuous expanse of land is called a continent. Both oceans and continents play a vital role in shaping the climate of the Earth. They affect all aspects of life, including all plants and animals, and therefore, human life too. We see their impact throughout our history and culture, and in our daily lives. The distribution of water and land on the Earth. Oceans and continents are not distributed equally between the northern and southern hemispheres. The oceans together hold most of the water available on the planet. But this seawater is salty and unfit for consumption by most land animals, including humans. On the other hand, fresh water makes up a very small proportion of the planet's water resources. It is found in glaciers, rivers, lakes, in the atmosphere and also underground. The last is called groundwater. Oceans. The Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Arctic Ocean and the Southern, or Antarctic, Ocean. Although we have listed 5 oceans, it is clear from the map that they are not really separate. The lines that divide them on the map are no more than conventions. The natural world does not follow such boundaries. Seawater, for example, constantly flows across different oceans, sustaining a rich diversity of marine life. Many plant and animal species can be found across multiple oceans. The marine flora includes tiny plants called algae and all kinds of seaweeds. The marine fauna consists of thousands of species of colorful fish, dolphins, whales, and countless mysterious deep-sea creatures. Each part of the ocean, from the sunlit surface to the dark depths, has its own diverse life forms. Marine, related to or found in the oceans and seas. Flora, the plant life of a particular region or period of time. Fauna, the animal life of a particular region or period of time. This map of India shows Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Also marked are India's 2 major groups of islands. Oceans and disasters. Oceans often also give rise to storms, violent events with extreme rainfall or very strong winds, such as cyclones, which can cause widespread damage to coastal regions of the world. A tsunami is another natural disaster that originates in the ocean. It is a huge and powerful wave generally caused by a strong earthquake or a volcanic eruption at the bottom of the ocean. Tsunamis can travel thousands of kilometers and submerge coastal areas, causing widespread damage. Continents. North America and South America are generally considered to be 2 continents, but if seen as a single landmass, they can also be considered as one. Europe and Asia are generally considered as 2 continents, although the map makes it clear that they form a single landmass. For historical and cultural reasons, Europe's evolution has been very different from Asia's, which is why they can be seen as 2 continents. Geologists, however, often regard them as a single continent called Eurasia. Africa and Eurasia are generally regarded as 2 continents, but sometimes as one. 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, South America. The 5 Olympic rings, one of the symbols of the Olympic Games. They symbolize the gathering of sportspeople from all over the world. The rings were chosen to represent 5 inhabited continents: Africa, America, Asia, Australia and Europe. Islands. The continents do not include all landmass. Some smaller pieces of land are left out, surrounded by water on all sides. They are called islands. Greenland is the largest island in the world. India has more than 1,300 small islands. Those include 2 major groups, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Oceans and life. The oceans play a crucial role in regulating the climate and sustaining life on Earth. Oceans have deeply impacted humanity in many other ways. From early times, people have used oceans and seas to migrate to other regions, to trade in all kinds of goods, to conduct military campaigns, and as a source of food through fishing. Oceans have also nourished the cultures of coastal people all over the world.